Yeah, that's all I do, bro.
So what's going on this weekend? Are you coming?
Yeah. It's what it is we have to go there to do a job, and I kind of want to see them, but they switch it to this week. So, what I'm gonna do is
Nigga, Daz knew it, bro. This nigga was on MTV Pimp My Ride type shit.